Reddit story from Antuking. Ako ba yung mali if i-expose ko yung cheater kong ex ko saka yung kabit niya? I found out na my ex has been cheating on me for months, probably since April. I just found out 2 days ago. Obviously, when I confronted my ex about it, do note na mga 4 to 5 p.m.-ish ko ata siya minessage at trinitawagan. Tiga California kasi siya so I think madaling araw pa sa kanila noon, he blocked me agad. Wala man lang reply, basta after an hour siguro nakablock na ako sa lahat ng social media niya. I also tried reaching out to his mom but she blocked me as well. Eto pa, I even politely reached to his current girlfriend pero she was quick to block me as well. As in, I was civil and respectful. I even provided context and sufficient proof to emphasize na we have not broken up at all until nung nalaman kong cheater siya at blinok niya ko agad. I didn't call her out because I initially gave her the benefit of the doubt na baka it's another case of the girl being as much of the victim as I am. But no, my friend reached out to her as well, twice pa nga, but she had the audacity to tell us na she doesn't care and brining out niya pa yung harassment card at inaanseti na daw siya kaka-reach out namin sa kanya. By this point, I couldn't help but feel na it's either binaliktad ako ng ex ko para ako yung nagmumukhang masama or she probably knew of my existence noon pa man. Kaya lang naman nag-reach out yung friend ko kasi my ex owes her money. I mean that's how it all started. My ex sold his Valorant axie to my friend. Pero nung bubuksan na sana ng friend ko yung account, invalid daw yung login credentials. We searched through Valorant Tracker and figured out now not only was he using the account he sold already, pero he was also playing Valorant with his current girlfriend now since May. So cheater na nga, scammer pa si loko. Mind you, the Valorant account his current girlfriend uses now was my account. He specifically told me nung June na nahack daw kuno yung account ko kaya di na ako makalagin. Aba si loko, binigay niya na pala sa side chick niya. Ang galing! Of course, I am enraged and frustrated kasi ako pa yung nasisira dahil ako tong gustong mag-reach out sa kanilang lahat kasi gusto ko lang naman ng explanation. Imagine, he and I were together for a year and a half. Siyempre I would feel blindsided. And lalo ko lang gustong maklear yung name ko and hold them accountable for what they've done. I just can't believe na he'd be capable of doing this because my ex knows how traumatic my past relationships were and how tumultuous my mental health has been since last year. Legit na nasa rock bottom ako ngayon and for him to do me dirty is just unforgivable. Siguro may pagkagaga ako sa part na we were constantly trying to reach out to the girlfriend kaya she feels she was harassed. So ako ba yung mali if expose ko silang dalawa kasi obviously, makakasira ng pangalan and possible opportunities for them in the future. It would obviously compromise what little privacy and dignity they were trying to preserve. But as for me, I feel like I am merely holding them accountable. Don't say na di ko sinubukan lahat ng means possible kasi pati nga nanay at best friend ng ex ko, minessage ko na but I was shut out. What happens next is merely a consequence of their actions. Lalong-lalo na sa ex ko na at his grown age, hindi man lang makapag-communicate ng maayos. Pwedeng-pwede naman makipag-break. Ang hindi pwede is may naapakan kayong tao, tapos kayo pa yung galit at nagmumukhang victim. Ay nako, hindi maaari. Ako nga ba yung mali? Kung nakarelate ka sa storya ng ating bida o kung nagustuhan mo ang ating short story today, maaari lamang na paki-like, share and subscribe sa Kwento Filipino TikTok and YouTube para updated kayo sa mga bagong posts. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli!